These 6.5-inch Pyle PL63BL speakers deliver impressively strong output for factory replacements, with enough headroom to stay clear at higher volume in most daily driving setups. The three-way coaxial design separates highs, mids, and lows well enough to give vocals definition while still adding some punch to drums and bass lines. Their butyl rubber surrounds and rigid cones feel built to handle regular use and temperature swings in a vehicle without falling apart quickly. Installation is straightforward for anyone used to swapping door or rear deck speakers, and the standard sizing helps them fit many common vehicles with minimal fuss. For casual listeners upgrading from tired stock speakers, the overall sound is noticeably brighter and more detailed without needing a powerful aftermarket amplifier. The blue accents on the cones add a bit of visual flair behind a grille for those who like their audio gear to look as lively as it sounds.